Hey guys, welcome back to the Tim G. Edwards Music YouTube channel. Today's guitar lesson, I want to teach you how to play a very popular hymn, typically used in invitation time at churches, called I Surrender All. This song is in public domain, very worshipful hymn, so let's get started. Okay, I'm sure everyone is familiar with this hymn, so we'll dive right into the chords. The chords I'll be using, instead of the typical D major and A major chords, I'm going to be using a D sus2 and A sus4, typically used in a praise and worship style of music. So if you know the D-shaped chord, just simply lift off the finger number 2 or your middle finger, and that'll be the D sus2. It's really best if you would go ahead and place your finger number 2 on the 3rd string of the 2nd fret and leave your first finger open, and then strum all strings but the top E string. D sus2 is that, and then A sus4, just place your finger number 1 on the 4th string of the 2nd fret and then strum all the strings except for the top E string. A sus4. So to go between D sus2, just lift off your finger number 1, and for A sus4, place finger number 1 back on string 4 of the 2nd fret. Okay, so on the verse it'll just pivot back between these two chords, D sus2 and A sus4. Okay, the strumming pattern I'm going to be using is down, 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 up, up, down, 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 up, up, down, 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 up, up, down, 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 up, down. So if you look at the verse, it starts off with the D sus2. All to Jesus I surrender, all to Him I freely give. I will ever love and trust Him, in His presence daily live. Okay, and then on the chorus, you just stay on the D sus2, so to go I surrender, and then you do the E minor, all, then you go back to the A sus4, I surrender, all, back to D sus2, all to Thee, my, and on the word blessed, G major, blessed Savior, and then back to the D sus2, I surrender all. Okay, so if you put it all together, all to Jesus I surrender, all to Him I freely give. I will ever love and trust Him, in His presence daily live. So on the chorus, you just hang on to the D sus2. I surrender all. I surrender all. Back to that D sus2. Hold on to that. All to Thee, my blessed Savior, I surrender all. Okay, very worshipful song. If you'd like to see more videos like this, be sure and hit the like button below. If you're not a current subscriber, be sure and subscribe to my channel when you get a chance. It's free, there's no obligation. It just simply bookmarks my channel onto your subscription so I can easily be found. And I want to thank all my current subscribers. I appreciate you for supporting me and for tuning in and helping me in this ministry. So join in for some other video lessons, and I appreciate you very much. So have a great day. God bless you.